What's up, guys? It's Jason with MP3D, and today I'm doing more laser stuff, and today I'm going to try my best not to screw up two perfectly brand new gloves. Yeah, that's right. I've got two gloves. One is a faux leather glove that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description. I think it was like $22. And then I also got a real leather glove, a Rawlings glove, and it's real leather, and I'm going to try to laser engrave them. So you might be asking yourself right now, Jay, why are you going to ruin two gloves? And I could quite possibly ruin these gloves. Let's go ahead and say this first. Well, here's the deal. I want to see if I can laser engrave them so I can personalize them and custom them for like parents or for kids so that they can have something that they can find. Because a lot of times at the ballparks, the kids get ready to leave, they pick up any ball glove, and a lot of times parents don't realize it until it's too late. But a lot of times you can look down, and if this were custom engraved and it said Jason's glove, or it had my number on it or something like that, I mean, heck, you could even do a phone number on there. But if that was on there, parents could call you or say, hey, my kid picked up your glove. But here's the thing, there's all kinds of stuff all over this. So I've got to figure out where I'm going to engrave it, what I'm going to engrave, and then how easy or how hard it's going to be. So I'm hoping I'm not going to screw these up. And in the long run, if I can figure this out, then maybe this is something I can market to the ballparks and to parents of little kids, or even older kids, or heck, maybe even older folks that might want something really cool added to their gloves. So we're going to go over to the shop right now, and I'm going to get started here. I'm going to take you guys through the process. Let's go. We're in my laser engraving shop, aka my 3D printing area where I do my YouTube stuff, and I'm going to take you guys through the process. I'm going to be using my X-Tools S1 laser engraver, and we're just going to hopefully get some good results with this, guys. So I'm going to take you over to the machine and show you what I got working with, and let's just do this. Let's get into this, and maybe this is going to be the theme of the show. Let's see what I can screw up the first time, or maybe I'll just land on something amazing. Who knows? Let's go. So this is the faux leather Franklin glove. So first things first, I've got just a little light stand clip that I'm going to try to keep this nice and flat. All right, we've tried it several ways. I've had to clamp this down pretty low. So I'd use two little target clamps. I'm gonna place it in the bed. I'm gonna line the laser up over approximately where I'm gonna be going, just to kind of get basic distance, and then I've got to measure everything and get everything reset. So we're going to measure distance down to the material. We have it. Hey guys, real quick, something you could do for me right now that is absolutely free to you is hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'm going to be putting content out very often. And especially if you like me and you like this content, I want you to be able to have access to it every time. I love when you guys comment and leave me comments and all that stuff. But anyway, I'll let you go back to the video, but I appreciate you. All right, so we're going to go up here and hit the markings here, and we're going to click mark it, and we're just going to mark the processing area. So we're going to pick rectangle, and then we're going to say start marking. We're going to come back over, and what I want to do is I'm going to kind of mark approximately where I want it to be. So I'm going to start there, and I'm going to make sure it goes all the way over, and then we're going to probably go there, and then we're going to pull it down this way to about right in there. And then we're setting it to engrave, and I'm thinking what we're going to do is we're going to keep it at 30. We're just guessing here because I'm going to try to keep it at 30, and we're going to keep it at 100 speed, and we're going to do one pass. All right, it says it's going to take 43 seconds to do this, okay? So let's check it out. We're going to hit start. You're going to hear a beep. I'm going to hit the beep. This does not look bad, and that's one pass, super clean. I think it worked pretty good. I thought right here might be a cool little spot, and maybe you could have like a saying here, like something cool, like a quote, or, you know, I don't know, like maybe, you know, no errors. I've decided we're going to go with no errors. I created it in a different program. I brought it in. We're going to have to change where it's going to end up, but I kind of wanted it to curve around this little piece here. Okay, so we've set it to 35 at 100 speed like we did the last one. We're going to let it process. Says it's going to take 46 seconds, so we're going to hit, first of all, we're going to close this thing first. We're going to hit start. All right, I think you saw it, but let's pull this thing off and I'll show it to you. We'll take the clips off and check that out. Check that out. No errors. Something your kid could see every time he puts the glove on. He'll see no errors. You could put dad loves you, mom loves you. You could put respect the game, whatever, and his little name is going to be, sorry, my name is right there, MP3D 73, number 73, the year I was born. And again, this is faux leather. So I think that's pretty good for faux leather. All right, let's go to the leather one and see how much better it does, and we'll compare the two. Here's the real leather one. This one's a little more expensive, so I'm a little nervous if it messes it up, but we're just going to go for it. Let's go. Let's do this thing. All right, so I'm ready to start marking. I know I want it to be right there. I know it's not going to bump into anything when I do it, so I want it to start approximately right there. I'm going to hit start there. I'm going to bring it forward to about right in there maybe, so it doesn't bump anything there, and then I'm going to bring it over to about right in there. I kind of want it to make it a little bit bigger. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. There inside that box is our place we want it. So we're going to put it kind of right in the middle there. Looks pretty good to me there. And we're basically just going to go over to the modifier and we're going to engrave it. We're going to do 35. I'm doing this with one hand. 35 with 100 speed because that worked pretty good on the other one. And basically we're going to process that joker. All right, it says it's going to take 52 seconds. I know, that's crazy, right? We're going to hit start. Are you kidding me? That looks fantastic. Oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? Check this out. Hold on, let me pop this off. Oh, okay. I'm popping these little clamps off. Check this out. Y'all, are you serious right now? That looks so good. That is so crisp. All I did was rub this down with a little bit of LA Awesome and check it out. That's so clean. Like as a parent or a kid with my kid's glove like that, unbelievable. So let's check out both. Let's do a comparison. So this is faux leather. Nothing against it. It looks pretty good. Faux leather, you could absolutely do that, and it did dig in. We got the no errors there. Looks great. But y'all, that one, I'm going to do some other things. I don't need to do it for this video, but I don't know. Tell me in the comments which one you think looks better. It's kind of up to you, but I don't think the faux leather would be a bad choice. So if you have a kid that has a faux leather glove and you want to get it laser engraved, personalized, absolutely. But this one looks fantastic. Now, I don't know what it'll look like on a dark glove. Again, I think it'll just burn dark, whatever, but I think on a lighter glove like this is going to look so good. Anyway, maybe I'll give this to my son. I don't know, but I think that looks so good. Anyway, that's it for the video. Can you engrave on faux leather? Yes. Can you engrave on real leather? Absolutely. And is it worth it? Is this something you guys would like for your kid or for yourself? You guys are going to have to comment in the comment section below. But I took you through the process. It wasn't that hard. On my 40 watt laser, it was 35% power at 100 speed was the kind of ideal settings for that. It won't be the same for every one of them, but we're just guessing here. But anyway, I love this. Let me know which one you think looks best in the comments. And you know, guys, if you like content like this, you want to see more of it, please let me know in the comments. Be sure, and something you can do for me that's absolutely free for you is just hit the subscribe, maybe leave a comment. It does help the algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it, guys. We're trying to grow this year in 2025, and my motto is do hard things. This was a hard thing, and I was doing a lot of guessing, but it worked out great. So anyway, if you're a new laser business and you're looking for something to add a little bit of extra income, let's go to these ballparks and see if these parents want custom gloves. I think my parents are going to love this stuff. I've got a Little League baseball team that's about to be shown these photos, and I'm going to I'll update you, let you guys know if any of them want their gloves engraved. So anyway, from me to you, appreciate you guys. Remember, do hard things. I love you guys. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, and I will check you next time.